Catherine Bernardo update and have a safe flight kay Catherine. Lumipad na siya patungong Canada para mag-shoot ng movie niyang Hello Love Again. Ang bago yun, ito muna interview kay Catherine. And let's go.
Alright. Okay, gagawin mo na, are you excited na ba for the Canada shoot?
Halo-halo emotions, to be honest. It took me parang 2 days after to back kasi ang hirap i-back for 1 month. And then the team nandun na din syempre. So, hindi ko alam kung ano ma-feel ko, but definitely I'm very excited kasi finally natuloy na. Ito na, una ako kay Alden, and then tuloy-tuloy na yun. I'll see you guys in a month.
Yeah, but how long are you going to stay there?
Until 1 month actually. So, it depends pa. Hopefully matapos lang namin yung mga schedule. And sana maayos yung weather, yung mga locations and all. So, yan, pagpingin nyo na lang kami doon na sana maging smooth lahat siya.
So, kumusta naman yung preparations and expectation for this shoot?
Preparations, the usual, the look test, meetings, we discuss yung sa characters, pero nasa proseso pa kami nun, and I think ito na yung pwede ko na i-share. So, basta ngayon, hawak kamay kami nila Direk Cassie and sila Leia and Ate Carly, to create something na worth watching, para basta don't expect anything muna. Basta we'll give it our all and then let's see na lang kung ano yung magagawa natin.
By the way, nandun na ba lahat ng team or may mga susunod pa?
May mga susunod pa. I think ako yung first batch na cast and then the rest, makikita nyo mas yun na lang yung susunod in the next coming days, diba?
So, if you have free time, do you have any plan to explore like in Calgary? Meron ba kayong plan?
Yes, sana nga, every free time. Sana meron. Of course, I would love to. May tennis courts din doon. And then Ate Maha is there. So, hopefully, makita ko sila. Hindi din ako makasama sa ASAP. So, I don't know kung mag-visit yung mga bosses na sa shoot. So, it depends talaga sa schedule. Priority talaga is the shooting.
Siguro, how are you physically, emotionally, and mentally ready for the shoot? Paano yung pinaganda?
I'm still in the process. Parang I'm giving myself time para tubuelo. And pag nandun, doon ko na lang tatantyahin kung paano. Pero lahat kami gusto lang mapaganda yung film. Parang pinaprocess ko lang lahat yung paano na yun. And then, get the time to adjust. And once maka-adjust na, then may nakabuild na ng rapport. Sana magtuloy-tuloy.
Kakaibang joy ba yung mapapanood natin?
So, hopefully, yun lang muna. I just don't expect too much. Basta naman tayo, okay?
Siyempre, nag-abang din yung mga fans mo dito ngayon sa airport. Ang gusto mo sabihin sa kanila?
Of course, thank you. Sa Quiapo yung ngayon yung weather. Tapos di kami natuloy kahapon because of some aircraft changes, I think. But ito na yun. Tulog na. Natulog na. Thank you kasi ganyan naman sila ever since, to show their support. Basta importante ngayon, mag-ingat. Safety ng lahat, yan na yung kulog. Sana makauwi lahat kasi makarating kami doon ng safe. Yun lang muna.
I'm good.
Thank you.
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell kung may update na po ang your reaction live. Bye guys, team for watching.